This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Harbour. Single-level townhouse selling partially furnished. Great location. Only minutes to the fitness center, indoor pool and tennis courts. Refrigerator, washer and dryer stay. New heat/air unit installed in March 2025. New water heater in 2023. Dishwasher replaced in 2015. The owners have maintained this property. List of maintenance items dating back to 2013 in documents. The home is selling as is. For more information, review the details below or contact Harbour at 501-204-2034.